In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Snapchat app on Android. We'll use the official, safest method through the Google Play Store so you get the legitimate app and automatic updates. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer, and its icon looks like a multicolored triangle. Using the Play Store is important because it verifies apps for security and makes managing updates easy. Next, tap the search bar at the top and type Snapchat. On the results page, look for the official app by Snap Inc. You'll recognize it by the white ghost on a bright yellow background. Taking a moment to confirm the developer name helps ensure you're installing the authentic app rather than an imitation. Now tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading the app and then install it automatically. Depending on your internet speed and available storage, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. You'll see a progress indicator on the screen so you know it's moving along. Using Wi-Fi can help the download complete faster and save mobile data. It's fine to keep using your phone while it downloads, just avoid turning it off until installation is done. When the install button changes to open, tap open to launch Snapchat right away. That's the whole process completed. The Snapchat icon will also appear in your app drawer and, in many cases, on your home screen for quick access later. If you ever revisit the Play Store page for Snapchat, you'll manage updates and app details from there. If you're curious about what you can do once it's installed, Snapchat is built for quick, visual communication and has more than 1 billion downloads worldwide. It lets you send photos and videos that disappear after they're viewed, chat and video call with friends, and explore a huge library of filters, lenses, and Bitmoji to personalize your snaps. You can also watch stories from friends and dive into trending content from creators and publishers, all within the app. To recap in one smooth flow, open the Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, tap Install, wait for it to finish, and then tap Open. Sticking to the Play Store keeps your device secure and ensures you're getting the latest version optimized for your phone. If your Play Store layout looks a little different, don't worry. The search bar and install button are in familiar spots across most Android devices. Thanks for watching and enjoy snapping with your new app.